Welcome to our kitchen. Everyone always says the kitchen is the heart of the home, and for us that is absolutely true. Zooey is an incredible chef. She always hates it when I call her a chef. She says I'm just a cook, but no, she is incredible. We like to eat healthy. We're vegetarian, so she really has to be creative in how we create the meals and make sure we get everything that we need. But one of the most important things for us was to have a massive island with tons of prep space. Maybe because I'm competitive and I wanted to have a bigger island than Drew, but it's probably actually just that we've got 2 kids and we've got lots of friends that we want to have over. So this was important for us. For the storage, we used all Marvel cabinetry for our custom cabinetry. Everything in here is custom made. Even the profile on the door, we went with that Gothic arch that we've carried throughout the whole house. And Marvel has actually worked with us on Celebrity IOU. They've done tons of like our Brother vs. Brother and whatnot. They're incredible. Anything I ever ask for, if I dream it up, they can do it. They use a high density fiber board, which is a better quality wood in order to get the stability in the panels, but also the paint they use, it's almost like a wax when it goes on. It's really, really thick. It's gonna stand up to scrubbing it and cleaning it and everything that life throws at it. So it was important for us to have all of those details. When it came to even some of the special requests I have, like for the tea station, I wanted to have a special mesh that would just really pop. So our tea station has this mesh inside that came from the UK, and Marvel integrated that into the door panels. So we have all the extra storage, but also that little pop that touches with all the other brass accents in the kitchen. I love something like that, but nothing is more important than your organization. Just because a pantry is not a space where you have your guests in, it doesn't mean it shouldn't be pretty. We wanted to have something that was beautiful, but just had ample, easy to access storage. I love the fact that Marvel also gave us all of these great solutions for how we can organize snacks for the kids. You'll even notice all the dovetail joints on the corner of all of the drawers. I love that. This is really a space that will make life a heck of a lot easier. Same with our garbage and recycling. Corey and Dana, to answer your question about organization, yes, we have garbage and recycling built into the kitchen, but also how often do you see a laundry hamper in the kitchen? All of this is custom built because kids, they go through napkins and everything else, they make a bit of a mess. So we built this in, and that's the great thing about doing a fully custom kitchen, because you can literally design it to make life easier. Lisette, great question about how did we land on cabinet colors? There is a whole story here because green, beautiful color. This was my choice. I wanted to push to add those gorgeous green cabinets, but Zooey really loved the idea of blue cabinets. And I also really, really love blue cabinets, especially when you have brass hardware and it pops. But we're trying to think, how do we, decide? Is it gonna be green? Is it gonna be blue? In reality, Zooey, it's her domain in the kitchen. So I said to her, I think that this would be okay. After we looked at a million inspiration photos, we ended up deciding that we did really love how the green played with all the different wallpapers and everything else we have going on in here. And so we made a compromise. We did the guest house kitchen in blue, which turned out gorgeous. And then here we did the main house kitchen in green. So we actually got the best of both worlds by having both incorporated into the house. All right, that finishes up the cabinet video tour. So we've got more coming. Make sure to keep checking Instagram, ask more questions, because I'm gonna answer more questions, even beyond all these videos for the tour. I wanna make sure that I get back to you guys with as many answers as possible.